Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. In today's video we have this double shutter lock with dimple core inside. Here are the keys. Nothing special about the bearing. Lock works fine. There are all standard pins inside, so we're gonna see what it takes to defeat this lock by using regular pick. I'm again gonna use this improvised mech tickler. So let's see. It's not easy to use inappropriate pick for such lock, but in case of the dabble, it won't be a huge problem. Maybe a bit more time to defeat it, but nothing special. I'm using it like a flag pick for dimple locks. Let's see. Do we have something? Do we have some? No, we don't have it. Let's try with this thing, wave rake. Again. And we got it open. So those Chinese dimple locks you could pick only by using some sharp object. If you are skilled enough, you could pick a lock like this if it has standard pins only by using anything which is sharp and precisely made. So it's picked by a wave rake. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.